Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your system, Windows 10 or 11, 64-bit, to avoid driver conflicts. Next, download a reputable live wallpaper installer and verify the file name and size. This prevents corrupted installs. Once downloaded, run the installer as administrator and follow prompts. Choose default components unless you need custom paths. Make sure to create a restore point beforehand so you can revert changes if something misbehaves, and keep your installer file in downloads for quick reinstallation if required. You'll next open the live wallpaper application and accept needed permissions. This allows animations to run and access hardware acceleration. Once inside, pick a wallpaper from the library or import your own, then adjust quality and performance sliders to balance visuals with CPU/GPU load. Use per monitor settings for multi-display setups and set playback options like pause on full screen to preserve game performance. After making adjustments, preview the wallpaper on your desktop to confirm timing, scale, and system responsiveness before final application. You now apply the chosen live wallpaper and enable Launch on Start if you want it every boot. This ensures your desktop looks consistent. Monitor system resource use for a few minutes. If CPU or GPU climbs too high, lower quality or frame rate settings, or switch to a static fallback for intensive tasks. If the wallpaper fails to display, reinstall the app, update your graphics drivers, or use the restore point you created earlier. These steps resolve most conflicts while keeping your desktop stable and attractive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.